Kwizera Gihozo Patience. I am going to talk about the R Studio. The R Studio is a software which helps us to generate codes, generating raw data and analyzing them with different types like ANOVA tables and by generating graphs. So to use this R Studio, you need first of all to get it on your PC. The way of getting it on your PC is downloading it by using your browser and download it on your PC. So to download it, you come in your search engine. Let's use Google Chrome, and you type R Studio and you search for it. The result you will given are this, and click on download R Studio. After clicking on download R Studio, we'll get data which look like this, and you will download R Studio, and then after you download R Studio server, so you will download the two setups on your PC, because this R Studio cannot work alone without this R Studio server, because it helps it to run on your PC and help to work with browsers on your computer. So after downloading them, you will get them in your file explorer and install them. After installing the R Studio and the R Studio server, it will appear on your desktop. So this is the R Studio server, and this is the R Studio that pinned on the taskbar. So I'm going to open R Studio. This is how it looks after you open it. It contains some formulated data and code. So here we are going to use this R Studio to generate codes and raw data about the example that you want. So here we are going to use artificial intelligence called ChatGPT. ChatGPT will find it in our browser again, in Google Chrome. So we are going to use example related to our field of study, which is forestry. So we can put the question or example here in this ChatGPT search engine. So for example, write generate R code and raw data about deforestation. And analyze them with ANOVA table, and then after generate graphs for them. This is an example which include the deforestation, which is related to our field of study. So they are going to give us the codes and raw data about deforestation. They will give us data like this. So after giving them, they are in 3 steps. First is the simulated data, which are these, and this is ANOVA, and this is step 3, create visualizations or graphs. These data are ones which will help us to get graphs about the data of deforestation. So after getting these results, we are going to use it in our studio in order to get codes. So we are going to use copy and paste. So we will copy and come and paste in our studio. After pasting them, we press enter. So you see there is a change here. So after again you will go in your browser and copy data you are given on step 2 and paste also in our studio, and then after press enter. You see also there is a change here in these data, and again you will come in your browser and copy code you are given in step number 3, which will help us to get graphs about deforestation. And we paste here and also press enter. You see that there is generation of graphs in blue color, and here on y-axis we have mean deforestation area in hectares, and here there is region. We have east, we have north, and we have south and west. So graphs are generated and data are analyzed by this studio. So after this you can wish to save your data, you will pass through here and press to this icon which save history interface, and click, and you will choose here the folder in your file explorer where it will be stored. So let's choose like documents and type Ala Studio deforestation analysis and save them. So you can use another examples. Instead of deforestation, you can use forest management, you can use afforestation. You will get data and graphs which are differently from this. So thank you. Welcome back. I am going to continue by talking about software called Zotero. So Zotero is a reference management software which is used to make citation in any text by showing the source of given sentences or text in your work, and use it to make a bibliography which include all references used in your text. So to get Zotero, first of all, you go in your browser. Let's use Google Chrome and type in your search engine Zotero. You will get these results and click here and click on download. Here you are given two setups you are allowed to download. First is the Zotero for Windows and Zotero connector. So this Zotero connector, it helps Zotero to run in your PC in order to detect the sources of your results and to make the extension to other software like Microsoft Word and also in Google Chrome. So after downloading them, you have to install them in order to use them. So you cannot use them without installing on your PC. After installing them, it will appear on your desktop, and you can also pin on your taskbar in order to open it in the easy way. I can pin. So let's open it, and we are given these tools which are found in Zotero. There is library, publications, deprecating items, trash, where you can move your unwanted books and other things that have been imported in. So after installing Zotero, it will appear on also in Microsoft Word here. This is Zotero. When you are going to make a citation, you will use this icon, add edit citation, and in bibliography we use this icon. So to perform the function, we are going to use an example to show how Zotero works. So firstly, we open this Zotero and we can use Google Scholar to get books. So for example, let's search for climate change, and they will give us all books which which contain information about climate change. And let's download this book. It will look like this, and click download and choose the folder where it will be downloaded. So let's choose downloads and save. You see that the book is already downloaded, and we can download also another book which related to climate change. Let's download this climate change and society, and also click here and it will be downloaded. Let's also download another book, Modern Global Climate Change. And also download and save in downloads folder in your file explorer. So you are seeing that all three books are downloaded, so you can use it in Zotero to show how citation is done and bibliography. So we are going to our file explorer and going in downloads. See that the books are appearing here. So to import them in Zotero, come in Zotero and in my library, and click on this icon and choose the book and open. See that it will imported in Zotero, and import other book, let's choose this. You see that also it is imported in Zotero, and use book number 3. So it is imported. So in order to make the citation, we come in Microsoft Word. You see the Zotero is added on the toolbar of Microsoft Word, and let's take some paragraphs and paste it in our Microsoft Word. Let's copy this paragraph and paste in Word. And come back to our books. Let's open this. Sorry. and copy another paragraph. Paste it in our Microsoft Word. So you see that we have copied our paragraphs in Microsoft Word. So to make citation, come and click before the full stop and click on this icon of add edit citation and choose the APA, which means American Psychological Association 7th edition, and click OK. And you have to choose the book here. And click on this fresh. See that the citation has been already marked in our text, and to make it highlighted, we'll bold it and put it in italic form. So also can make the second citation by clicking here and choose book, which is this, and you see also it is already put it in our text and make italic form. So this is our citation. The next thing is to make bibliography, which will include all references that we have used in our text in order form. So come at the end of your text and go to this item and bibliography. So see that this is the bibliography, and you can type here like references or references or bibliography. And bold it in order to be different from another text. So this is the citation number 1, and this is number 2, and this is bibliography, which we have gained it by using Zotero. So this is the use of Zotero, and it is helpful in doing your works and when you are asked to provide your references. Hello, I am going to talk about artificial intelligence. So to make it understandable, I am going to use PowerPoint presentation. So So artificial intelligence, or AI in its abbreviation, is a set of technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that are usually done by humans. There are examples of those tasks can be data analysis, which from different variety of sources where the data are originated from. The other task is problem solving. The artificial intelligence can also solve different kinds of complex problems and make their recommendations. The third task is cognitive functions, which is AI do by performing human functions like planning and creativity and some kinds of innovation. So we are going to continue with the examples of artificial intelligence tools. Some of them are common used like in academic activities. So those examples are these that are displayed here. The first is ChatGPT, which is commonly used in research, in the preparation of different text, and can be used in the preparation of speeches, summaries, and others. The second example is Quillbot, used in paraphrasing, summarizing, and detecting artificial intelligence text. And there is Grammarly. That is called remove background, is used to remove background from the photos and logos. And other is DOR-E, which is perform function which is same to that of ChatGPT, all used in research. By continuing, we are going to see how artificial intelligence can be productive while we are using it. Here there are some functions that performed by artificial intelligence. It's used in different sectors like in medical, in agriculture, and in businesses. First, it can be used in medical diagnosis by helping doctors and nurses and also researchers to analyze patient data, they identify health risks and develop treatment plans for those detected data about any diseases. Also, it is used in agriculture sector, which can be used to detect the crops disease, can be used to monitor crops and predict yields, and in optimization of irrigation. The other function is navigation and maps. Here, artificial intelligence can be used in Google Maps and is used in different application and software like Google Earth and other softwares used geographically. The purpose of that is to analyze the real-time traffic data, suggesting the optimal routes used by the travelers and the passengers, and predict the arrival times to reach the point of their destination. It can also use it to create smart, better, and faster rating. Also, it can use it in cyber securities by recognizing and fighting the cyber attacks by analyzing and identifying patterns. So artificial intelligence can be used also by like search engines like ChatGPT, Keyboard. Those are artificial intelligence tools that can be used as search engines, because when you search something you want, they give you the results. So here can I can show an example of one artificial intelligence tool which called Quillbot. Quillbot, let's open it and see what it can do for us. So you see it is paraphraser, AI detector, grammar checker, summarizer, citation generator, plagiarism checker. It performs these functions at the same time. So let's take an example by opening one of books you have and copy this paragraph and open paraphraser and I can paste it here. See that it is pasted in this paraphraser of Keyboard and click paraphrase. See that it is paraphrased by replacing some of complicated English words, and these words that are highlighted in orange color and in blue color are paraphrased by this artificial intelligence called Keyboard. And to use it, you come here and click this copy icon and you can paste in your Microsoft Word. Yes, and it will come like this, and you can use it by arranging, by decreasing the space between the lines, and you can get the better text that you want by using this AI. Also, it can be used, as you saw, can be used to detect the artificial intelligence words that you have been used while you are using like ChatGPT, and you paste here. It can show you the percentage of artificial intelligence words that are contained in your text, and it can be used to correct the grammar mistakes. Can use it to summarize and in citation, and can be used in checking plagiarism. So thank you. Hello, welcome back again. I'm going to talk about Microsoft Access that is useful in our PC or laptops and useful for generating database for different data to build a database. So By starting, we can use a browser. Let's use Google Chrome and go to artificial intelligence tool, which is called ChatGPT. This will help to generate data according to a given question and what you have asked to generate. So let's use this question. We say that assume log data from election and produce election in Rwanda and produce Microsoft Access report professionally, including table, and make search. Let's try again. They will give you a lot of results, include data you want. So you are seeing that they give us 3 different tables. So here we will choose one table and make a copy of it and go and open Microsoft Excel. And we will paste that table here in Microsoft Excel. You see how it look and make a save. Let's save it to desktop by naming it micro access and save. So after using this Microsoft Excel, we close it and go open our Microsoft Access here and choose blank database. Let's name it database 7 and go to create. You see how it looks, and firstly you have to remove this. So after removing it, you go to external data and to new data source and you choose from file and go to Excel as is where we have saved our table. So go to the browse and go to desktop where it's saved and search for micro access here and click on it and click open. After that you will click OK and you see the table and click next, and you click next again, next, and then after click finish. After this you will click close. After this you will go to create and go to query design near query wizard. And after the query design you will go and choose sheet 1. After choosing sheet 1 we go at the bottom, at the right bottom, and click on add selected tables. So after you will get this containing ID, region, candidate ID, votes received, and total vote. You will copy by starting with candidate ID. Secondly, you will copy votes. Thirdly, you will copy total votes. So, and after this, you will and click to totals and come here. You choose sum. After choosing this, you will close this kind of like tab. After closing, you will go to learn. You see there is a generation of tables, generation of table at the Microsoft Access. So it is not at the end. After you get this, you go to create again and you choose report wizard. You see, and you will click yes and okay. You will click on this double signs and click next, next, next again, next, and then after finish. You see there is a creation of database table. See table, and there's a generation which of table which can you give in a report, and you see it is clear with containing those data that they have asked you. So I think it is done. So this is the end of our generation of database by using Microsoft Access. So thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you.